All right, let's see. This meeting is live streamed. The public court, these meetings are live streamed and sometimes they appear on the internet. We are live on.
Your Honor, ready with two 830s?
All right, I'm ready. What's the case number?
The first one is 837. They're both with Mr. Callahan.
Okay. 837 and 839.
And the other one is 145.
145. Okay. Calling case number 22394837. This is National Real Estate Management Group versus Terry Martin and all occupants on stop. I have appearances.
Ted Phillips, P35900. The defendant. No. I'm sorry, it looks like Mr. Callahan's not.
Let's see.
Let me see.
This was 837, and then we had a 145.
45 is the other one.
Okay, I'll keep them close. I'll put them right here.
All right.
Whenever he's ready, we can do that.
Your Honor, I'm also here on a case for Mr. Callahan. It's 84439.
Okay, with Malika Ware.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, counsel. Do we have you have a resolution?
No, I don't have a resolution, but I've started negotiations with them.
Okay. All right, I think just plaintiff's attorneys are running around from courtroom to courtroom. So what I'll give you breakout privileges in the event that's helpful, but once Mr. Callahan comes in here, he's got you and Attorney Ted Phillips, and then we'll just okay. I'll set yours aside as one of Callahan's. And is your client here? Is Ms. Ware present in the courtroom? Is Malika Ware here?
Your Honor, she's in a breakout room right now.
Okay, all right. Callahan right here.
Your Honor, on those two Callahan matters, he just texted me that he's okay with me putting those on the record.
Okay,
If the court's okay.
court is okay. I trust you all. Calling case number 22395145. This is Beach Club Detroit versus Vincent Starks and occupants on East Jefferson. May I have appearances?
Morning, Your Honor. Ted Phillips on behalf of the defendant, Vincent Stark. Mr. Starks, you need to unmute.
Mr. Starks. Mr. Starks.
Your Honor, looks like, oh, there he is. Mr. Starks, can you unmute and say your name?
Yes, my name is Vincent Stark. Sorry, I went to the breakout room on accident.
That's right.
What's up?
Your Honor, the parties have came to an agreement on this matter to, it will be converted to a termination of tenancy and be a conditional dismissal with a 4B checked. And the defendant will vacate in 30 days, that date being April the 22nd. And that is the full agreement. Mr. Starks, you understand that? Do you need that you'll need to move by April 22nd?
Yes, I understand that. You're saying that there won't be like an eviction or anything, right?
Right, this will be a conditional dismissal, so it will be dismissed as long as you move.
Okay, for sure. Thank you.
Do I have your permission to sign an agreement to that effect?
Yes, you do.
Thank you. Your Honor, are you satisfied?
I am satisfied. Good luck, Mr. Starks.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Calling case number 2239-4837. This is National Real Estate Management Group versus Terry Martin and all I.
Morning, Your Honor. Ted Phillips, P 35900 for Mr. Martin.
Yes, I'm here.
And
Just
can you
state your
state
name,
your
Mr.
name?
Martin.
Terry Martin.
Right.
Your Honor, the parties came to an agreement on this matter that the full amount owing is $1,649. That's $1,499 for back rent, $150 for court costs. This will be a conditional dismissal with a 4A, with the full payment to be made by April the 21st. And that's the full agreement, Your Honor.
Agreed, Judge.
Oh,
Kevin Callahan for plaintiff.
1,600. Thank you, Mr. Callahan. $1,699 to be paid by April 24th.
1,649, Your Honor.
Okay, 49. Sorry about that. And it's a conditional dismissal with 4A check. Mr. Martin, do the attorneys have consent to sign your name on this conditional dismissal?
Yes.
All right, well, good luck. You know what needs to be done. And thank you and have a great day.
Okay, sure.
Mr. Callahan, the Beach Club one was done too.
Thank you.
And you have, Mr. Callahan, you have one with Mr. Thornblock as well. If you'd like to just talk to.
Okay, yep.
Put Ms. Ware and myself into a chat room.
I'm gonna say your name right, Thornblock? No, how do I pronounce your last name, Counselor?
To say it right, you have to be able to speak Swedish, but Thornblade is fine.
Thornblade? Okay.
Actually, it's Sharonblade in Swedish. There's no TH in Swedish. Thornblade's fine, though. That's what we go by.
Okay, so I'm going to re-invite you. I'm going to move you all to room 4 to see a prompt for room 4.
Oh, I don't need to talk to him. We already spoke, Judge. He just needs to talk to his client, Malika Ware.
All right, I'm going to invite you, Ms. Ware, into.
No, I just need to talk to my client. Yeah, I just need to talk to my client.
Okay, all right, move you. I want to make sure you get an invite. All right, so room 8, both of you all be. Ms. Ware, where are you on here? Room 8. There we go. All right, good luck.
And Judge, I have a resolution on 148, Carla Olden.
Okay. Calling case number 2239-5148. This is Sweet Properties LLC versus Carla Olden.
Kevin Callahan for plaintiff, P78273.
Dan Stepich Lawan, P48702, MLS appearing for defendant Carla Olden.
Good morning, Ms. Lawan.
Good morning, Judge.
Miss Olden, can you say your name for the record?
Carla Olden.
Thank you, Mr. Olden.
Judge, currently there is $2,878 that is in the court's escrow from a previous hearing that was adjourned to today's date. We are amenable to an order releasing the escrow in full to my client, care of my law office, and we would dismiss the case because that satisfies Ms. Olden's past due balance.
Okay. So I am in the receipt of an order regarding, okay. Will you submit an order to the court and I'll sign it and get that released? You can actually, you can email it to me.
Okay.
Email it to me and court will sign it. Do you have the clerk's email?
I do not. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, that will, the court will order that the amount in escrow is released to the plaintiff, and this is hereby dismissed without prejudice. And that will conclude this matter, Ms. Olden. So we're going to release the funds that you submitted to 36th District. We're going to submit those. I'm going to sign an order where plaintiff can come pick up those funds, and those are the funds you owe. So we're here. We're done here. Thank
And
you,
your
counsel.
Your case is dismissed, Ms. Olden. Thank
Thank
you, Your
you.
Honor.
You're welcome. You all have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
And good morning, Your Honor. This is Attorney Ronald Blanco.
Good morning.
We are ready to call a case ending in 5644. The parties have come to an agreement through a conditional dismissal.
Five, 1, 4, 4.
9644, Your Honor. Oh, 95644. I apologize.
Calling case number 22395644. This is Kelly Lewis versus Samuel Shaw. Appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ronald Blanco, P number 85775, appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel Shaw, present in the courtroom.
You, Mr. Shaw, may we have your appearance?
Yes, sir. Samuel Shaw present.
Good morning, Mr. Shaw.
Good morning.
I have a lot of notes on this file. Is Kelly Lewis, Ms. Lewis here?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Lewis. Can you state your name for the record?
Good morning, Kelly Lewis, present.
All right. Have parties been able to work something out in this matter?
That is right, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to convert this case to a termination with a move-out date of May 5th, 2023. The parties have also agreed in the writing for them to schedule an inspection within the week of this conditional dismissal, and once again at move-out to inspect the premises, and it will have 4B checked, Your Honor.
Okay, is that the understanding of the agreement, Ms. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Shaw, do you understand what's going on?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, and does Mr. Blanco and Ms. Lewis have consent to sign your name on a conditional dismissal, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do.
All right, well, the court is satisfied, and good luck. Take care. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Ready with 2830s.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Blanco.
No problem, Your Honor. Thank you.
Well, have a great day. All right. 2830.
061
Mhm.
with Mr. Ravitz, Mr. Coleman, rather.
Okay. Interchangeable. Calling case number 22395061. This is USP Property Management versus Andrea Keith and all other occupants.
Morning, Your Honor. Ted Phillips, P35900 for the defendant.
Good morning.
Mr. Coleman?
Attorney Coleman. This is case number 22395061, USP Property versus Andrea Keith.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P 56548, on behalf of plaintiff, stand for the attorney of record, Lee Ravitz. There's a subsequent hearing on a non-payment of rent.
Ms. Keith is present in the court. Ms. Keith, could you state your name?
Yes, Nadria Keith.
Your Honor, the
Thank you.
parties are agreed to an adjournment of 2 weeks. We believe that a substantial amount of money has been paid. We just want to make sure that the ledger is correct. Something to the tune of $5,000 about in the last 2 months. So we have to make sure the ledger is correct, and we should be able to come back with a resolution in 2 weeks or before that.
Okay, today's Thursday, or Wednesdays and Thursdays your best days?
Yes.
The court found a good cause to adjourn this matter to April 13th. At 9:01.
Ms. Keith, hang around a minute. Okay, we'll go to a breakout room and I'll explain, but don't leave this
Okay.
chair.
Okay.
The,
All right.
the other matter was 969 with Attorney Horka.
969 with Attorney Horka. Calling case number 22394969, Devon Apartments versus Angela Love.
Morning, Honor. Joe Horka, P75969. I'm standing in for Mark Lando for the plaintiff.
Morning, Your Honor. Ted Phillips, P35900 for the defendant. Your Honor, the parties have agreed on this one as well for a 2-week adjournment to get a ledger. Ms. Love is a Section 8 tenant. We believe she's paid in full. There's a dispute of a few $100s, but one way or other, it will be resolved, but we just need to see the ledger to make sure it's correct.
Court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to April 13th, 2023 at 9:01 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Cheese,
Yes.
you at work?
I'm sorry.
Are you at work?
Yes.
I see that ceiling. I assume you weren't renting that as a residence. Okay. Who's your case? I'm gonna get you out of here. Attorney Coleman, have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Cheese?
No.
Are you representing her case?
Your Honor, I have not. If you can put us in a breakout room, I can talk to her. No, wait, which one is this one?
This is Asia Cheese 5065.
Yes, I can talk to her.
Okay.
Put us in a breakout room, Judge. Thank you.
Ms. Cheese, I'm gonna invite you to a breakout room, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Room number 5. Good luck. Is Sheila Robinson here? Process Sheila. I'm sorry. Oh. Sheila Robinson. $845. Last 3 digits, 845. 145. No. 147. Nope, you didn't do that one, Judge. Okay, Sheila Robinson is in here. Is Ashley Grant here? Ashley Grant. Is Glenn McKinnick here? We processed 5145. Yes, Judge. Conditional.
I'm here. Hello, this is Sheila Robinson.
How you doing, Sheila Robinson?
I'm great.
All right. Have you talked to the attorney from Beach Club? Are you
No,
representing?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, well, keep your hand. I think you're still muted, Attorney Callahan.
Pardon me, sir.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Do you have counsel?
Your Honor, I can see her.
All right.
Ms. Robinson,
Yes.
look for a invitation to a breakout room.
Breakout room. Oh,
Yeah,
Lord.
just 1 second. You got to give me a second to get there. I'm not the quickest in the world.
Me either.
There you go.
Okay.
Keishona Taylor Wines here. Keishona Taylor. Is Alexia Goldman here? I don't think so, Judge. No. Is Alexia Goldman here?
Your
Is
Honor,
Unique-
Your Honor, how can I go back to my breakout room? I had an invitation. I went to the breakout room, nobody was there. Can I get an invitation back to the breakout room?
All right, who are you supposed to be meeting in the breakout room?
Oh,
I
was
can
supposed-
put her in, Your Honor. She's supposed to go to room 3.
Yeah, with Kurt Thornblade.
Mhm.
Okay, I just got an invite.
Okay, all right, perfect. Good luck.
Thank you.
Welcome. Unique Thomas?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Doing well. You're with Attorney Coleman this morning. You can talk to him or you can talk to legal counsel and then legal counsel talks to him. It's up to you.
I can talk to him.
Okay. So what I want you to do is put your hand up in the chat. It's like a more gestures button at the bottom of the screen. There you go. All right. And Attorney Coleman will pop in, we'll probably process the case, and then I'll tell him you're here so he can continue. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Is Asia Thompson here? Is that Asia Thompson who just spoke?
No, sorry. I just entered the courtroom.
What's your name? And are you Asia? What's your name?
No,
Me see.
Ashley Grant.
I didn't catch that. What's your name?
Ashley Grant.
Ashley Grant. I see.
Okay. You're with Attorney.
Okay. Ashley Grant, have you called him by phone? I just want to make sure I've got the right person.
Yeah, I called him.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put your name on the screen right now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
And Ms. Grant, you were 6 minutes away from getting defaulted, so glad you appeared. Ms. Luckoff may pop up again in here, and, oh, she's here actually. I'm gonna put you all in a breakout room so you can have a conversation. I'll invite you all. That's the most. Oh, where, our party's ready on where?
On the where case, Your Honor?
Yes.
Yes, I have an arrangement with Mr. Callahan. We don't have a complete settlement this morning, but we're going to do something. Parties will do something for each other and we'll get an adjournment.
Okay. Let's see, let's try to call this. Calling case number 22394839. This is National Real Estate Management Group versus Malika Fair and occupants in Lawrence. May I have appearances? May I have appearances for the record?
Kevin Callahan for plaintiff, P78273. I'm just guessing this is my case.
Absolutely. Good guess, Mr. Callahan.
What's up?
Kurt Thornblade for the defendant, Malika Ware, who's present.
Thank you. And Ms. Ware, can you state your name?
Malika Ware.
Thank you. Have parties worked out a resolution or?
On this one, Judge, we are still sorting out the ledger from a previous Sarah payout to try to determine what the past due balance is. We'd be asking for one last adjournment. Mr. Thornblade has just been retained. Ms. Ware is prepared to start paying her April rent to my client while we sort out the past due balance, and I'm optimistic we can just enter a CD before our next court date.
Okay, and what's your monthly rent, Ms. Ware?
$1,000 a month.
All right. Well, sounds like you all, between the three of you all, you have it figured out. So I'll adjourn this matter to, is there any preferred date for parties?
Not for me, Mr. Thornblade.
Oof, I have kind of a heavy schedule. I mean, if the court could give me a date, I could just let me know if that works.
April 13th.
Oh. I'm having a little trouble with my schedule here. Okay, month.
We can go April.
That could work for me, Your Honor.
We can go morning or afternoon.
If we do it at 8:30, that'll work for me.
Okay, I'll set it 8:30. All right, 8:30 a.m. 8:31 on my notes, so I know it's an adjournment. Thank you. I'll see you all back. Good luck, Ms. Ware. Keep taking care of business.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. I'll see you all back.
Yes.
April
All
13th.
right.
Thank you.
Attorney Callahan, I don't have Alexia Goldman here or Keshona Taylor Wines. I do have a Sheila Robinson present. I think she's represented by counsel. So I can call Alexia Goldman and Keshona Taylor Wines because it's after 9:30. Well, it's almost 9:30. If you're ready for those two.
I am ready, Judge.
Calling case number 22394845. This is National Real Estate Management versus Alexia Goldman and all occupants and applications.
And Kevin Callahan for plaintiff, P78273.
Thank you, counsel. Is Alexia Goldman here? Does anyone reside at 5838 Roselawn Street? This case was previously defaulted for defendant's failure to appear. Defendant has failed to appear to this hearing that was set aside to safeguard defendant's rights. I believe default judgment was previously filed on February. In February, Register of Action says February 23rd. So we're here again. Besides, counsel, what's your?
We'd ask for a default judge to enter. I'm unclear on whether, I guess I would ask for a new default to be submitted because another month of rent has occurred instead of keeping the old default, but I don't know what the court wants to do.
No, we can enter a new default judgment. It's defendant has failed to appear. This is a non-payment of rent. How much rent is owed?
Currently $11,149 plus $160 in court costs.
$1,309.
Yes.
All right, and let's see. Any objection to a dismissal of name?
I mean, it's improper, but I no objection.
Yeah. Just enter the default. Defendant failed to appear. Defendant failed to appear in the last previous hearings. I'll leave that up to the plaintiff's discretion as to all occupants issue. But default judgments entered for $11,309 to be paid on or by April 2023.
Judge, can I have that date again?
April 10th, 2023.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh my God.
Too much for you, Miss Woods?
I'm sorry.
Make sure those devices are muted. All right, and Mr. Callahan. On case number 22395144, Sweet Properties LLC versus Keshona Taylor Wines and all occupants.
Kevin Callahan for plaintiff, P78273. After reviewing this case, Judge, my client no longer manages property, so we would move to set aside the default judgment, enter it, and dismiss the case.
Okay. Court will set aside the previously entered default judgment and dismiss this case without prejudice. Set aside previous default and dismiss without prejudice. All right, thank you, counsel. That concludes the matter of 5144. Do you have any more? Oh, you have Sheila Robinson here.
Yes, and we have a resolution for Sheila Robinson once they return from the breakout room.
Okay, just let me know. And Attorney Luckoff, okay, I think she. All right. Is Sean Hall here? Is Bobby Hall here? And Attorney Luckoff, you have someone in the breakout room. I don't know if you spoke to her already, but Ashley Grant is here. Bobby Hall, William Clinkscales. I saw you on here.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning. Is Sean Hall or Bobby Hall here?
Your Honor, they've actually moved out of my property this weekend. So I just would like to keep the default judgment for the 3 months of rent of the $875 for $26.25 plus $150 and 3 months of late fees for total $2,775.
Second, hold on 1 second. I'll call your case. I'll call your case. Please give me a sec. So what would make them pay their rent after vacating?
Right now, I think the ladies is trying to.
Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. I'm not.
Just money judgment.
Your Honor, was that question for me? William?
I answered it. I can't give you legal advice, but I will say that your plan is likely not going to work.
Okay.
You don't have a money judgment on here, so
I'll do the necessary research to find out how to do the money judgment.
yeah, and it's just call an attorney.
Okay.
Did you have a lease?
Yes.
All right. I'll call your case. And if the defendant is vacated, I'm going to just, all right. Calling case number 22395485. This is William Clinkscales versus Sean and Bobby Hall. Thank you for the record. Mr. Clinkscales.
William Clinkscales present for the record.
All right, and Ms. Cheese, I'm gonna get to you next. Mr. Clinkscales, are Sean and Bobby Hall still residing in the property?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, are you? Okay. Have you resecured the property?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The court is going to dismiss this matter as defendants have already moved out of the property, so there'll be no point of entering a judgment, especially a non-monetary judgment, because there will be no writ that will follow. However, Mr. Cleanscales, I suggest you talk to an attorney to determine how to retrieve the rents owed by a separate lawsuit. I can say it's possible, but I'm not at the liberty to, I can't play both sides. I have to be impartial. You know, so it may be of your benefit to call someone, maybe it's someone in this Zoom room who you can Google and call, but I would suggest you do that if that's your goal, to not only regain your property, but retrieve the lost profits or lost income, excuse me. So this case is dismissed without prejudice. I wish you, I'm glad you got your property back, but if you want to pursue money damages, it'll have to be in a separate lawsuit, okay?
Understood. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
All righty, you as well.
And the court dismissed the court entered the dismissal. We'll draft it and send it in.
Excuse me, Your Honor, by your permission, may I ask a question, please?
After I call Asia Cheese's case, so she can get back to work.
Yes, sir.
All right. Calling, where are you on my docket? Attorney Coleman, are you ready?
Yes, Judge. I have two matters I believe I can resolve. The first matter is the one ending in 065 with Mrs. Cheese.
Hold on first. 22395065. This is Al Hadi Investments versus Asia Cheese in all occupants.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P 56548 on behalf of the plaintiff. I am staying for the attorney of record, that's being Attorney Lee Ravitz. At this time, we're asking for an adjournment and for another week or two, because I can't get the ledger to see what's owed and there's money in escrow. I don't want to not give the correct information to Ms. Cheese. So she's been giving Mr. Ravitz information to reach out to him as well and to her landlord.
Okay, all right. Well, Ms. Cheese, you probably know what's going on better than anyone. So take care of business in the meantime. And can you state your name for the record?
Ms. Cheese, unmute yourself,
Ms. Cheese is I'm aware, the court is aware that, just state your name.
Asia Cheese.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Cheese. We'll come back to court. What's a good day? I'm here.
Your Honor, whatever you got Mr. Ravitz come back on the 13th. So let's do April 13th at 9:01 as well. How's that?
Okay, April 13th at 9:01 works for me. Ms. G, April 13th, 9:01.
I guess so, yep.
All right, I'll see you back and hopefully we have a solution.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Your Honor, can you send me into a breakout room with Miss Story?
Are you going to send me the paperwork?
Just remember, April 13th, 2023. April 13th. April 13th.
And Ms. Cheese, you will get a notice from the court as well.
Okay, thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Who do you need to be in the breakout room with, Attorney Phillips?
Keisha Story.
Keisha Story.
She has her hand up right next, well, probably not next to me in that, but, and then when I come back, I'll speak to Unique Thomas, who is one of Mr. Ravitz's cases as well.
All right, Keisha Story's waiting for you in room 7. Ashley Grant, Attorney Luckoff. Armstrong.
Thank you.
Ms. Armstrong, what case are you on? Is Shamada Morrow here?
I'm here.
Shamada Morrow is here? Attorney Tate, what case are you on?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Sean Tate, P57767 with Lakeshore Legal Aid. I'm on case number with the last three digits of 238. Jennifer Long.
Okay. Did you talk to Attorney Harker?
I have not spoken with Mr. Horka, but we had some chat earlier today.
Ready whenever you are, Mr. Tate. So just pull me in a breakout room.
Thank you, Mr. Horka.
Attorney Coleman.
Your Honor, I'm ready on Mrs. Story. It's the case ending in 669.
Okay. Oh, working into the future. Like that. All right. Calling case number 223956669 LT, Golden Key Real Estate versus Kasha Story, and occupants on Farmbrook.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P56548 on behalf of the plaintiff. Ms. Story, state your name for the record. She come back in?
Let's see if she's back in. If not,
Well, I see her, she's at the bottom. Ms. Story, state your name for the record.
Kasha, well, it's look like it's red Kasha Story.
Your Honor, go ahead.
Okay, but is it Keisha?
It is. That's what my mom named.
Hello, Keisha Story.
Your Honor, the parties have discussed this matter. We have an agreement at this time. This will be a judgment by hearing. The amount owed is $3,457. Ms. Story would have until May 5th to pay this. This does not include her April or May's rent. As long as she pays this, that will satisfy the judgment. A new matter will have to be filed for those months if not paid. Case should be dismissed as to Ms. Story. All occupants must either vacate or pay by May 5th, 2023. MCR 4.201 subsection I was explained. Ms. Story, since I'm an attorney and you are not, this has not become final for 3 days. Then that 3-day period, you have an absolute right to file a motion, ask the court to reconsider this. You will probably have to give the court a legal reason to set this matter aside. You also have 10 days to appeal to a court of higher jurisdiction. That court will be the Wayne County Circuit Court. If during the appeal, I probably advise you, not your attorney though, that you may want legal representation.
Okay. I understand and I agree and I appreciate y'all so much.
All right, well, you have a great day. The court.
You too. I'm so happy I elected you. Well, help elect you.
Thank you. I am too. Thank you, Ms. Story.
Have a good one. Have a good day, Mr. Coleman. Thank y'all.
Thank you. Appreciate
Bye-bye.
you. Your Honor, if you can give me Unique Thomas into a breakout room.
I will do that right now. Unique Thomas.
I do apologize. May I speak, please? Can I ask a question?
Sure.
My name is Latanya Richardson, and I just wanted to make sure I'm in the right Zoom.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Okay, thank you.
Don't go anywhere though. Miss Unique Thomas, we're going to go to room 3. I'm inviting you to room 3. I'm going to invite Attorney Coleman in the room 3. Boss should be able to make it happen. Ms. Richardson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I also want to ask that question as well. I want to make sure that I'm in the correct courtroom as well. I have a pretrial conference today.
but it seems like you just jumped Ms. Richardson and,
I'm sorry.
don't apologize to me. But I'll apologize on behalf of Ms. Richardson, but I'll find out where you're supposed to be and where she's supposed to be. So we have court clerk here. He'll give us a search while I look on this list. Ms.
Both are in Judge Sean Jacquet, Judge.
Both of you all are in Sean Jacquet's courtrooms.
Okay, thank you.
Do you know how to get there? You all know how to get there?
No, sir.
Or your Zoom code here was 360-436-0000. That Zoom code is 360-538-000. So switch out those middle numbers to 538 instead of 436.
Thank you.
Okay, that was my meeting ID, Your Honor, 360-538-0000.
Yeah. Yeah, and then you're at 436, so you just typed in the wrong meeting ID.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
Both. And the same instructions go to you, Ms. Richardson. Yeah. Look, all right. And let's see. And Louis Armstrong.
This is her speaking. I'm here.
Who's your judge?
They say, Anthony Hooker. Joseph Anthony Hooker.
Parker. He's the attorney on the other side, but that gives me a clue.
Okay.
Oh, are you Jennifer Long?
Oh,
Oh, you're Louis Armstrong. Louise Armstrong?
no, Lois. L-O-I-S. You have to have to.
All right, Lois Armstrong.
Okay. Your Honor.
What's your case number?
My case number is 223-95457.
223-95457. All right, let's see. If anyone can find it, we'll check it out for you.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, I got another one ready.
All right. Yeah, Mr.
Pardon, Judge?
Oh, which one do you have? Attorney
The
Coleman?
one with Mrs. Thomas ending in 5062.
Thomas. Calling case number 2239-5062, Solid Rock Property Management versus Unique Thomas and all occupants.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P. 56548, on behalf of the plaintiff, stand for the attorney of record, Lee Ravitz. Ms. Thomas, identify yourself.
Hi, yes, Unique Thomas.
Your Honor, myself and Ms. Thomas have an opportunity to discuss this matter. At this time, what is owed is $5,548.55. This will be a judgment by hearing. Case shall be dismissed as to Ms. Thomas. She will either pay or vacate that amount by May 1st, 2023, or enter into a written payment agreement with her landlord. MCR 4.201 subsection I was explained. It was explained to Ms. Thomas that since I am an attorney and she is not, has an absolute right to file a motion within the next 3 days, asking this matter to be set aside. She also has 10 days to appeal to a court of higher jurisdiction. That is our agreement. Mr. Thomas, is that our agreement?
Yes, that's our agreement.
All right. And what was the final amount again, Attorney Coleman?
$5,548.55.
All right. Okay, good luck, Ms. Thomas.
Thank
wish
you.
well. I'll enter this.
Thank you, Judge. Can you call my last one for Mr. Rabbit so I can jump to another courtroom?
Well, are we doing this? This is a hearing, judgment by hearing?
Judgment by hearing, Judge, yes.
Okay.
And the last one I have for 8:30 for Mr. Rabbit's in 5064.
5064. Calling Solid Rock Property Management versus Asia Thompson and all occupants.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P. 56548 on behalf of the plaintiff. I am not certain, but I don't believe Ms. Thomas appeared today. I did not see her in the gallery earlier, but I may be wrong. But if she's not here, then we'll be seeking a default judgment at this time, Judge.
And you said Ms. Thompson, not Ms. Thomas.
I said Asia Thompson. That's the one ending in 5064.
Yeah, okay. On case number 22395064. Solid Rock Property Management versus Asia Thompson. Does anyone reside at 710 West Philadelphia, Unit 2W? Does anyone? All right, this case was previously, a default judgment was previously entered in this, correct?
You know, Your Honor, that might be so. And if a default judgment was entered, does it show how much it was at the time, Your Honor?
I have in my notes 362020, but Counselor, it may be better to just do it.
Your Honor, we're gonna submit a new default judgment on this one.
All right. What is the total amount owed?
$3,190.20. Court costs at $150, so we're talking $3,340.20.
$3,340.20. Is this a dismissal to name defendants?
Name defendant didn't show up, Your Honor, so I'm.
Yeah, you know what? Defendant failed to appear. Again, default judgment is granted. We doing 10 days or?
10 days, Judge.
I would do April 3rd.
April 3rd, understood, Judge. Your Honor, I have several other courtrooms. I have my matters due are at 10:05, so I'll be back around 11 for those to see what's going on with those. If needed, you have clerk reach out to me. I'll be right back.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Morning. All right, what are we checking on? Ms. Armstrong, can you check this case number?
Sure, Judge.
22395457.
Millicent Sherman.
You were Millicent Sherman, Ms. Armstrong.
Oh, okay.
5, I think, Judge. Just to verify the courtroom. I think she's in 535.
Um, 535.
Forget about me.
No, we didn't forget about you, Ms. Robinson.
Yep, it's 535 for certain, Judge.
535. Okay. So you need to type in 360. Hold on, Ms. Armstrong. 360-535-0000.
60535
Yes, ma'am.
000.
Yes,
Is that
ma'am.
correct?
That is correct. So first 3 digits stay the same. You switch out the 436 to 535, and then put those zeros at the end again.
Okay.
All right, good luck.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm gonna remove you from here so you can get going. All right?
Okay, thank
All right.
you.
Well. And Mr. Saman is here. Is Shamada Morrow here? Shamada
Judge, no,
Morrow.
yep, this will be a dismissal, Judge.
Okay, even better. Calling case number 22395593, Kimba LLC versus Shamada Morrow.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. William Simon on behalf of the plaintiff 80352. We are submitting a dismissal without prejudice in this case, Your Honor.
This matter is dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
All right, you too. One way to do it.
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's just keep plugging away. Who is Miss Robinson? You are
Yes.
with. You have legal counsel, I think.
Attorney Phillips.
Okay, okay. Yeah, just sit tight. When he comes in, he'll get to your case. I haven't forgotten about you. Do you have to go? Okay, here it is right there. As promised.
Judge, I think we're ready on one of the cases with Mr. Phillips. If we could call that, it'll be real quick.
Just need to get her, Ms. Ward, could you bring her back into the courtroom, Ms. Brooks?
I'm
Sorry,
here.
should I? Oh, she isn't. Okay, never mind. We're all set on that one, Your Honor. 737.
Sorry.
737 at 9:31.
Calling case number 22395737. This is NPV Investments versus Portia Brooks and occupants on One Brook.
David Applebaum, P78794 for the plaintiff.
Morning, Your Honor. Ted Phillips, P35900 for the defendant. Ms. Brooks, could you state your name on the record, please?
Yes, Portia Brooks.
Your Honor, the parties who came to agreement on this one, a consent judgment for the defendant, the case to be changed to dismissed against Ms. Brooks and against all occupants, and a vacate date of April the 14th. Is that correct, Mr. Applebaum?
Yes, correct. And Mr. Phillips has approved the consent judgment, and I will fax it to the court for entry.
That's
All right. Is there no payment amount?
Correct.
No,
We've
converted
agreed.
termination.
Yeah, we in the judgment it provides that the case is being converted to termination of tenancy.
Okay, all right, and the court will note that in the file. Thank you, counselors. I will enter this judgment by consent and sign it when I receive it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Brooks, you're all set. Ready with an 8:30 as well with Mr. Callahan.
Okay. And what's the
147?
147? See, patience is a virtue.
So I hear.
22395147. This is Beach Club Detroit versus Sheila Robinson and all occupants on East Jefferson.
Yes.
Say your name, Ms. Robinson.
Sheila Robinson.
Thank
you. Kevin Callahan is the attorney on the other side. He did approve me putting it on the record. The parties have agreed to convert to a termination of tenancy, enter a conditional dismissal for a move-out date of April the 22nd. This would be a 4B conditional dismissal. No other claims resolved.
Okay.
Ms. Robinson, you understand you need to move by April 22nd?
Yes.
You approve me signing an agreement like I just outlined? Like you approve me signing an agreement on your behalf, calling for the terms I just stated.
Yes.
All
The
right,
court
thank you.
satisfied?
The court is satisfied. There's also proof of service. All right. Ms. Robinson, good luck.
Yes.
You're agreeing to vacate by the 22nd of April. This case is being converted to a termination of tenancy, so no money is being requested. However, you may not redeem it with any money either. So good luck and wish you well. Take care. Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
Judge. Have a nice day.
All right, you too. Thank you, Counsel. All right. Did we take care of 737? 737. I thought we did.
Yep, we did, Judge.
What was that, German?
That was with consent judgment.
Okay, we just did that.
Yep.
All right. It's Shy Harris here. Shy Harris. Eric Bowler.
Yes.
Bowler. How you doing? Good morning.
I'm here.
And Mr. Mayfield, I see you as well. I see you ready and alert. Your case is scheduled for 10. If Lindsey Jones is here, I'll call it before 11. If Lindsey Jones isn't here, I can issue a default an hour after. So that's where you're at, timing wise on your matter. And that goes for Eugene Edwards as well, unless Alexis Warren is here. I'm not calling any defaults before an hour after the case is scheduled. It's proven to save some time in the event someone shows up 45 minutes after the case is scheduled, which is quite common. So I have you here, I have you checked in. I don't see Lindsey Jones here, but that may change. Is Harold Stevens here? Well, you don't need to be here because Attorney Coleman is here. Is Angelia Mitchell here?
I'm here.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Mitchell. Is Mary Epps here? Mary Epps is Masuala Lame here? Masahula Lame. Are you? I can't hear whoever just said something. Please speak up.
Hello?
There we go. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Doing well. How are you today?
I'm all right. My name is Sabree Dixon. I don't know if my case came over or not. I was trying to figure out.
What'd you say your name was? What?
Sabree Dixon.
Oh, ma'am, excuse me.
I don't know if you called my case or not.
Brandon Jenkins. I don't think so. I don't think so, Ms. Jenkins. Well, we're gonna see. Let's see. What time is your case scheduled?
10 o'clock.
Not 10:01, but 10:00?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't have any 10 o'clock.
Wrong.
What's your, do you have any case numbers? You have a case number for your case?
Yeah. Yes. 213-56336.
Is this a criminal matter?
No, it's a house. Right. Landlord and tenant matter. I'm the tenant.
I see Sean Jacquet, but Your Honor, this case is closed as of
It's
December
closed.
2022.
It looked like it was closed December 29th, 2022.
Oh, they closed the case?
I think so.
You got the right case number one more time, please, sir? I got 2135. Hello.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna give you my case number so I can know what's going on. I supposed to went to court today, so I don't know.
Give me your case number, please.
213-56336.
Mutual Property Management LLC versus Sabrina Dixon.
Yes.
The Guru says it's closed. My clerk is
Okay,
looking at it
Judge.
right now.
I do see a schedule of 3/23, even though it's closed.
And it says closed, and then it's rescheduled for 3/23. So you have notice to come here, and I'm going to direct you to 538.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You know, no, listen to me. Don't hang up yet. You're in GK in 538. You know how to get there?
I gotta get it where?
Do you know how to get to courtroom 538?
538. When I need to go down there?
You're supposed to be in there instead of here today.
I'm supposed to be here today?
Yeah, but I mean, honestly, I don't see you on the docket for 10 o'clock there either. But on the register of action, it shows that you're scheduled today at 10:30.
Yeah, but I have no way down there right now. I thought I was supposed to do the phone appointment.
Do the same thing you did here. I'm just asking you, do you know how to do it? Like you dial 436 to dial in to this courtroom. So whenever they prompted you to dial 436, dial 538.
538. Okay.
436 is my courtroom. You're supposed to be in courtroom 538. So I don't know how the prompts go, but I'm sure you called a number. It told you to enter a Zoom code, and that Zoom code is going to change to 360-538-0000. See what I'm saying?
538. Okay. Oh, okay.
You just swap it out.
All right. All right. Thank you so much, sir. You have a great day.
All right, you too. Everybody seems going hot.
Yeah. Close to
Hello.
Friday.
Hello.
Hello, this is Latanya Farrell.
Okay, you say this is attorney who?
No, this is Latanya Farrell. I got court this morning.
Okay, what time?
Huh?
What time is your court schedule?
10:30.
Okay, and let's see if I can spot you on one of these other documents. You have a case number, ma'am?
Hold on, let me give it to you.
I see it's 2239-1200. It's like playing bingo every morning.
Huh?
Nothing. Latanya Farrell.
Yes.
You're at Sean GK for 10:30. That's courtroom 538.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Give it to me. Hold on. I can't hear you. 538. What else?
Instead of 436. So you got in here dialing 360-436-00.
Okay, now what do I dial to get in the other courtroom?
360.
What means you say no? I got a hearing aid. You say what?
360-53.
Wait a minute, hold on, sir. Boy, how much? 5
3.
You said 5 3?
8.
Wait a minute. This pen ain't working. Hold on. God. Jesus.
Take your time.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to get this pen to work.
Scratch it on into a piece of paper or something.
That's what I'm trying to do. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. Always something.
Okay, so this is, I'm sorry, is this only the breakout room?
No, this is the main courtroom. This is the
Okay.
main
You
courtroom.
said 5?
538. So the
5,
first
3, 8. Okay.
three digits stay the same.
You say what?
The first three digits stay the same.
Okay, the first 3 digits. What's the first 3 digits?
360.
360. Okay.
Ready?
Thank
5,
you.
3, 8.
Okay. Thank you.
0, 0, 0, 0. She's in the right place though.
Hello?
That is what's important. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I was just trying to figure out if I was in the right
Oh,
place since I had to dial in instead of video in.
What's your name?
Thank you, Madam Court Reporter.
No problem. Well, can I have your name, ma'am?
Davina Johnson.
The last name Johnson. Can I have the first name one more time?
Davina.
And what time is your case for today, ma'am?
9:55.
I see you, Miss Johnson. Let me get your name on the screen. One moment. I got you checked in.
Okay.
Right, Ms. Johnson. Is Madge Anderson here? Madge Anderson.
There we go.
Thank you, Madam Court Reporter.
No problem, Judge. I noticed it says A. Mitch. Has A. Mitch been checked in?
I'm here.
Oh, okay. Is that your, what's your full name?
Angelia.
Angelia Mitchell. Is it Mitchell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have Angelia Mitchell. Okay, let me just correct that. I wanna put your full name on the screen. So it'll match the docket.
And can I get a breakout room with Miss Mitchell?
Washington.
Yeah.
There you go.
You know, let's see. I'll put you in room 7.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Let's see. Ms. Mitchell. We're gonna invite
I'm
you to
sorry,
room
was
7.
That's Mitch Anderson or is that somebody else? Like, was that for me?
No, that wasn't for you. There's no way, is there any way for you to call to access this online? We can do it over the phone, but you can log on. I don't know. We'll get you out of here shortly.
Yep, Judge.
Has Rachel Matthews been checked in? Miss Matthews, have you been checked in? You're muted.
Good morning. I'm here representing the Jeffersonian for.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am. For case last name Lame.
Okay. What do you know what time it is?
It's set 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, she's at 10:30. With Masahula Lane.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh. All right. Thank you.
Mary Epps here. Is the estate of Betty Matthews here? Let's see what we got here. Dismiss Alexia Goldman. This was Attorney Luckoff.
I'm back.
You are back, and your client has, Miss Grant is in room 10
Oh, great.
for a second. So
Okay, I'll just wait. Thank you.
you're welcome. Well, see, if you go to your breakout rooms, you should be able to, like your grade in room 10. So I think you can just click.
Perfect. I will go there. Thank you.
You're welcome. No problem. Attorney Horka.
Judge, I think I have one ready to go.
All right, I'm ready.
238 back at 931.
Calling case number 22394238, Spark Property Management LLC versus Jennifer Long.
Your Honor, Joe Horka, P75969 on behalf of the.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Sean Tate, P57767 with Lakeshore Legal Aid as advice only.
Thank you. All right. Sounds like parties have not quite reached a resolution in this matter.
Mr. Horka.
It's my understanding that Ms. Long has kind of lost contact with Lakeshore Attorney Tate. At this point, it sounds like he would not stand in my way of asking for a default judgment. And indicated if contact is eventually made, I would be happy to discuss a resolution with Mr. Tate. But at this time, I would be seeking a default.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Understood. Well, default judgment is granted. We have proof of service. Parties have been here before. This is for non-payment of rent. Can you provide me with the updated balance?
It's 9,985 plus 165 in court costs, for a total of 10,150.
All right. And are we seeking to stand out? And I'll make that a default judgment with the move out date April 3rd. Let's do April 5th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Horka.
Thank you. Thank you both.
We have a resolution on 945, Your Honor.
Resolution, Your Honor, yes, with Mr. Phillips.
Assume you all are on this same case, correct?
Yeah, Mr. Marchese and I, yes. 310 is the case, 310.
Okay. Calling case number 22397310. This is St. Antoine Gardens versus all occupants at 5203 Chrysler Drive. Can I have a P?
P75872 for plaintiff.
Morning, Your Honor. Ted Phillips, P35900 for the defendant. Your Honor, the parties who came, and Mr. Bowler is the occupant. Mr. Bowler, could you state your name for the record, please?
Eric Bowler.
Yeah, Your Honor, the parties who came to an
Go ahead.
the parties who came to an agreement that there would be a conditional dismissal 4B checked for a total of $5,105.50 to be paid by April the 30th or defendant vacate by that time. And I believe that's the full agreement. Is that correct, Mr. Marchese?
Yes, thank you.
All right, do you understand the terms of this agreement, Mr. Bowler?
Yes.
All right, well, good luck. This is for this case remained in the name and all occupants. This hasn't
It's a
been
conditional
amended.
dismissal, Your Honor, so.
I understand. I'm just saying this case hasn't been amended, has it?
No, it's on the ROA, it's coming up as Bowler and all occupants.
I see it, yeah. Okay, well, that's irrelevant anyway. I'll enter the conditional dismissal, 5105 and 50 cents to be paid by April 30th, 2023. Good luck, and you all have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome, thank you. And it's on the ROA, as Mr. Bowler too. I must be working off of an old notice.
Mr. Bowler, I'm going to put you back in a breakout room just for a second, okay?
All right, let's see, can I call your 955, 1026? And Shy Marcus here. Shy Harris. Is Leonard Markham here? Is Madge and Anderson here?
Davina Johnson is here. But
Ms.
I
Johnson?
don't know.
You expecting a dismissal?
I'm sorry?
Have you been notified that your case was dismissed?
I couldn't hear you. I'm sorry.
Let's see. Hold on one second. Ms. Johnson, I'm gonna call you shortly, okay? Sit tight. I need to look at something.
Okay.
All right, so I'll put you, I think *6 is to mute.
You said *6 is the mute?
And
Yes.
unmute.
Yes.
Like if I were to mute you, I just want you to know how to unmute. So I muted you, but *6 is unmute. Test it out, if you want to. Ms. Luckoff, are you ready on 428?
I mean, I'm ready. We were unable to actually work anything out. So I just wanted to let you know, she doesn't know how to get out of the breakout room. And I don't know if I asked her if she spoke to legal aid and she has not spoken to anyone. So I don't know if there's anyone there that can speak to her, but I mean,
Let's
there's
do-
not a disputed issue. She just wanted a payment arrangement. I can't give it to her.
Okay, this is Ashley Grant. Okay, I'm gonna put, see if we can. Can anyone from UCHC have a conversation with Ashley Grant?
Yes, Your Honor, we'll start an intake and get an attorney for her. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Attorney Lokoff.
You're welcome.
Lindsay Jones here. I have to stick to my route. I have to stick to my schedule, Mr. Maxfield. So I have to call and say, I'm gonna call at 11:01. But checking on the remaining defendants. No answer? Okay. 9:55. Right. 55. Ms. Johnson, your case is likely going to be dismissed, but I have to wait an hour to call it. Is Alexis Warren here? Alexis Warren. Mary Epps. Mr. Featherston. Mr. Featherson. Morning.
This bitch. I just want to beat her ass.
Well, she
I want to
where
wait
she got
till
about a
she
nut.
get off of work and whoop her ass.
She got about a nut, baby.
Ma'am, can you mute yourself, please?
Oh, I want to hear. No,
I mean,
never mind.
it's live on YouTube.
It's live on YouTube.
Yeah.
You just gonna and might as well just indict yourself. Just walk, walk, take a picture or video and send it to us too, Miss Epps. Stop the violence. Give her a hug in lieu of your original plan. I called your name too. I just says Mary Epps here. She was focused on something else. But I have you checked in. No need to unmute. I have you checked in, Miss Epps. All right.
Sorry about that. I apologize.
It's all right. It's all right. Mr. Featherston is here. It's all right. Gene Edwards, have you marked as present. Is Shy Harris here? Leonard Markham here. double FTA. After an hour, case dismissed that. I'm waiting, I'm actually waiting now. Being fair.
Your Honor, I believe Attorney Abbott and I are ready to call our 10:30 ending in 5182.
Calling case number ending in 5182. 2239 5182 RPM LLC versus Mary Epps. May I have appearances?
Good morning, Judge Sabree. My name is James Abbott, P26085. I represent the plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gerald Featherson, P83480, on behalf of Miss Epps, who is present.
Ms. Epps, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Mary Epps.
Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Have parties been able to work out an agreement on here?
Yes, we have, Your Honor. This started as a termination of a tenancy proceeding, but parties have agreed to convert to non-payment. Miss Epps will enter into a payment plan where she will pay $235 on top of her normal monthly rent until the back rent is satisfied. She will also be paying that with her normal monthly $565 payments. The total on the conditional dismissal is going to be $3,735.77 plus court costs. And as long as she makes her payment plan payments timely, she will not accrue late fees.
Okay. And is that your understanding of the agreement, Ms. Epps?
Yes, it is. I'm sorry.
Well, you answered my second question, Attorney Abbott. All right, well, the court is satisfied. They are satisfied. This is a conditional dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's 4A or 4B check?
It will be, I mean, Attorney Abbott, do you have a preference?
I like 4B, but I understand 4A.
If I would prefer 4A, just because if this payment plan goes out too far, I would like a chance for her to respond in court before a writ is entered.
Court of check 4A. Ms. Epps, does your attorney or Mr. Abbott have consent to sign your name to the terms that we just discussed?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And this is converted to a non-payment from a termination, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Right. Some fine lawyering going on, and you should thank your counsel, Ms. Epps. I want you to keep that aggression. I want you to keep that passion. All right?
Understood,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Just keep it positive. I'll enter that conditional dismissal. Thank you, Mr. Abbott.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Gerald.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Attorney Abbott. I will send you that CD shortly.
Appreciate it. Go green.
Thank you.
Right.
Have a good one.
All right, you too. Have a great day. It was Alexis Warren. Alexis Warren. Leonard Markham. Is Leonard Markham here? Or Shy Harris? Leonard Markham, Leonard Markham, Leonard Markham. Oh, I plan on it. Dismissal. Oh, that's good. Clean scales. Case not signed. Oh. Leonard Markham. Leonard Markham here. Shy Harris here. Calling case number 22395306. This is Leonard Markham versus Shy Harris. Leonard Markham here. Is Shy Harris here? Does anyone reside at 9066 Evergreen in the city of Detroit? This is going to be considered a triple play. This is a dismissal without prejudice because plaintiff and defendant failed to. This closes this case. Someone can argue for me not to dismiss it. No one has contacted the court this morning. I'm to assume that this case has been resolved, or they no longer need the assistance of the court, which is why this has been dismissed without prejudice. They wish to refile, court will certainly let them refile. But as of right now, that case is dismissed for parties failure to appeal. Is Madge Anderson here? Madge Anderson, Ms. Johnson, you have about 7 minutes and then I'll call your case. If Anderson isn't here, it'll be a dismissal, okay? Star 6. Who's that? Literally, this big. 3 minutes. Wow. That's good to hear, Tom. You gonna do? Yeah. I get a little second. Take your time. I'll let them know you're here. She's a call man. Good. This is what I want you to do. Oh, I'll get her number. We're live right now anyway. I'll get her number. As you call Ms. Johnson. And then if you all work out a resolution.
We don't have a resolution.
You already talked to her?
No, we don't have a resolution.
Right, so that's why you need to talk to her. Then you can get a resolution. If not, then I'll hear your case.
Okay.
But I want you to at least give it a shot.
Okay.
And then I call it. If you know there's no resolution, then let me know.
So what it took me to track down this case, I've been on it for an hour on 433.
433?
But that's where we were last time.
Ms. Johnson.
We just want to put us in the breakout.
I'm gonna do that.
I don't know.
Bingo.
Two thinking men.
There we go. There we go. This is what I'll do. Let's go out in the hall. Ms. Johnson? Good morning, Ms. Johnson. Can you hit *7 to unmute? Mr. Greenwood,
Yes, sir.
good morning. I understand that you're representing Madge Anderson.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Johnson, I see you on the phone. I'm going to assign you to a breakout room number 3 so you can talk to Mr. Greenwood. She's in there. Mr. Greenwood, I'm inviting you as well. Let me know if you all come up with a resolution, great. If not, I'll hear the case. Solutions. Yep. Solutions. And with the solution.
Is Angelia Mitchell still in breakout room 7?
She is, counsel. Would you
Okay,
like
I'm
me
just
to-
gonna hop back in there then before you break. Oh, you brought her back out. Okay.
Hello?
Do you mind sending her back in really quickly? I'm sorry, I just spoke to opposing counsel. Thank you.
There. Thank you. You're able to go back in, right, Ms. Washington? All right, don't fall asleep, Mr. Mansfield. You're almost there. 3 minutes. Attorney Luckoff, are you ready?
Well, I'm ready, but counsel is not. They're going to talk to the defendant again, so I'm just waiting.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you are welcome. I waited an hour and 4 people showed up. I think one plaintiff's attorney, 2 defendants, 2 plaintiff's attorneys, and 2 defendants. So I think I'm sticking to that policy.
I'm here if you guys can hear me.
Who is that? Ms. Moore?
Yes, I'm sorry. I was having problem with my connection at home, but I'm here. I don't know if you guys can hear me.
I can hear you, Miss Warren.
I'm sorry.
Take this at a time.
Okay, I'll go out the hallway.
I'm supposed to do the real thing. We're here. What made you come to the courthouse?
Well, I was having problems with my connection.
Oh, you were in my sister's courtroom?
No, I had Judge Giles. So I was
433.
Yeah.
She's in 434.
233, but it was supposed to be.
He got bound over.
It was supposed to be Judge Sabree had originally.
I don't know if they can even hear me. Hello?
She doesn't know how to come back.
Okay. Calling case number 2239-5629. We're gonna move Ms. Mitchell to the main session. And I'll read.
Ms. Johnson.
Is it Ms. Johnson? Ms. Johnson, I'm sorry. I just took you out. Ms. Mitchell, I'm sorry. I got you out of the breakout room. I apologize. All right. Ms. Mitchell, if you need to go back in the breakout room, I'll put you back in there. I apologize if you're waiting on someone. If not,
Okay.
you're on deck. But Calling case number 2239-5629 LT. This is Madge Anderson versus Davina Johnson, an occupant on grid. We have an attorney in this morning. Please state your name for the record.
Greetings, Your Honor. Emmett Greenwood on behalf of plaintiff P56556. This is a subsequent hearing on a non-payment agreement.
All right, Madam Court Reporter, that was Emmett Greenwood.
P56556.
P6.
P56.
P56.
556.
556.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And Ms. Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Davina Johnson.
Good morning, and thank you for your patience.
Mhm.
Have parties been able to work, were parties able to work out some type of agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, if I may put it on the record.
Sure.
Yes, Your Honor. In agreement for Mr. Johnson to move out by May 2nd, we will dismiss this case against her.
Okay, and is there any objection to dismissing the named defendants and entering an all occupants judgment?
No objection.
All right. All right, Ms. Johnson, we're gonna dismiss your name as a named party, enter a judgment for all occupants. There won't be a redemption amount. There won't be a pay amount. This will be converted to a termination of tenancy where you're just required to vacate by May 2nd, 2023.
That's correct.
If parties agree, I can enter this. I'll do judgment by hearing because I'm not going to enter a consent judgment with all occupants. So we'll do an enter judgment by hearing. We convert it to a termination case. There's no redemption amount. A writ may issue after the 2nd of May.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Johnson.
Yes.
In the event. Oh, no, that's all right. Make sure, I don't need your consent because we're going to enter this judgment by hearing, but do you understand the terms?
Yes, I do.
All right, well, good luck. Thank you for your patience and have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Bye.
Can't even hear.
Calling case number 2239-5637 LT. This is Ryan Mansfield versus Lindsey Jones and occupants at 2500 Lakewood Street in the city of Detroit. May I have parties' appearances?
Hello?
Yes, my name is Ryan Mansfield.
Thank you, Mr. Mansfield. And do you own the property at 2500 Lakewood Street?
Yes, I do.
All right, thank you. Is Lindsay Jones here? Does anyone reside at 2500 Lakewood? For the record, the court does have proof of service in the file. Mr. Mansfield, is Ms. Jones still residing in the property?
No, I think she moved out. She still has some stuff there. I'm worried that she might come back. Also, her friend River is kind of coming and going. And then another lady, Stephanie, stays there now. I can't get rid of them. They won't leave. Police won't do anything about it.
Okay, how much money are you seeking money?
No, I'm not really seeking any money.
You requesting this court convert this to a termination of tenancy?
Yes.
The court will convert this to a termination of tenancy. Defendants have failed to appear. I'll enter a judgment by hearing. Dismiss all named defendants and a judgment for all occupants. With a vacate date of I'm doing April 5th. I've done April 10th, but it's the same effect. So April 5th, 2023.
April 5th.
April 6th is Passover. April 7th is Good Friday. The 8th, and then April 9th is Easter Sunday. So you wouldn't be able to file a written until the 10th, but the 5th looks better.
Okay.
Give you the 5th. Judgment by hearing. Court submit the paperwork because it is a judgment by hearing and very proper, and we can get it done. So we'll enter the judgment by hearing. That is the order of the court that defendants, all occupants, Ms. Lindsay Jones has been removed as a named defendant. However, all occupants must vacate by April 5th, 2023, or plaintiff may file a writ of eviction thereafter, which would be April 10th, your earliest date to file a writ of eviction. And that concludes this matter. Do you have any questions?
Nope, that sounds good.
What are you reading?
What's that?
All right, that concludes this matter. What were you reading?
Oh, I was reading the Bible.
Oh, okay. I was just curious. Very good book.
Very good book.
All right. All right, well, you're free to go. Thank you for your patience.
Okay,
and
thank you.
The judgment by hearing, you'll probably get one in the mail as well as them. And you'll still have to file a writ if parties haven't vacated. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Are you free to leave, Mr. Mansfield?
Okay.
I have an assumption that Attorney Luckoff and Attorney Lawan, are you all on the same case?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Same case. All right. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Calling case number 22395428, Lafayette Park Place versus Ashley Grant and Glenn McKinnick.
For the record, Your Honor, Cheryl Welkoff on behalf of the plaintiff, P45149.
And Suzanne Stepich Lawand, P48702, Michigan Legal Services on behalf of defendant Ashley Grant.
All right, thank you. Is Ms. Grant present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you state your name, Ms. Grant?
Ashley Grant.
All right, thank you. Counsel, do we have a resolution or are we seeking a judgment by hearing?
Your Honor, we have a semi-resolution, so we are seeking a judgment by hearing only by virtue of the pay or move date. Rent to retain here, $4,427. Court costs $188. The total redemption figure, $4,615. Landlord's asking for the statutory redemption period, and the defendant is asking for longer. Your Honor, this is a November case. Apparently, the defendant is now going to apply for assistance after, this is our fourth court date, I believe, but we're requesting a 10-day redemption period. We are also requesting a default. I see Mr. McKinnick is not present. I believe he is a guarantor, but this would be a judgment against all occupants only in any event.
And Your Honor, this defendant had been without a job. She had made a substantial payment a week and a half ago of $1,900. She has a new job that starts Monday and is confident that if given 30 days, she will be able to pay the entire amount. Hopefully before then, but 30 days. So we're asking for a pay or move date of April 24th.
All right. Court will enter a judgment by hearing. There's a dismissal to all named defendants in this matter. And defendants, all occupants must pay $4,615 by April 21st, 2023, or writ may issue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, parties.
Ms. Grant, can I invite you back into a breakout room and we can talk about?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep, I'll invite you in.
Great day, Ms. Grant, and also Ms. Lawand. Is it Steph Lawand? How would you?
You can call me Miss Lawand. It's fine. I was Stepich when I passed the bar and was admitted, so I used both.
Okay, so you still keep your old law school people in tune with what's going on?
That's right. Plus,
All right.
plus my brother and I are the last Stepiches, so somebody has to keep it going.
Fair enough. I can understand that. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. All right. Our party's ready on Belmere of Senior Apartments, yeah. Belmere Senior Apartments. How you doing, Attorney Haddad?
Good morning, Judge. I just zoomed in. I'm not sure if there's anyone here. I don't see anyone.
I don't see anyone either. We don't have too many cases today. You know what's going on in this case? Let's see. The estate. Betty Matthews. All right. Does anyone reside at 14850 Greenfield, apartment 102? See, this is the thing, counsel. If there's no appearance filed by anybody representing an estate, well, I won't say that because somebody may have power of attorney to or rights to execute the estate.
We received zero communications from any party or anyone representing the estate or on behalf of the estate, Your Honor. And this is a subsequent hearing.
All right. And you don't have to give me this answer and I'll look it up, but really want to know if a representative, an authorized representative of an estate can represent that estate in court as a non-attorney. And I believe it to be, it would make sense that they could, but we don't know who that person is if they exist.
We do not.
I have 3 other cases. No, I have 4. Let's see. No, 3. So I'll get through these 3, and this will be the last one. This is the last one. I'll just call it. I've been giving everyone an hour, but if this is the last case, I'll just call it. So it's not the last case yet. So you can pop back in or sit tight, whatever your pleasure is, counsel.
I don't want to hold the court up. I can remain here and just wait patiently, or I can zoom back in at whatever time you'd like me to zoom back in.
Zoom back in 15 minutes or maybe done.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
At 637, that was dismissal. Oh, yes. Judgment. All right.
There's someone who called in by phone. The last 4 digits are 1247. Can I get your name?
Yes. Cheryl Miles. I wanted to know if I had court this morning. I went and
Hang on just a sec. What was your name?
Cheryl Miles.
Miles.
Miss Miles, you do not have court this morning. Remember, Attorney Phillips is working on your case. You can hang up and I can call you later.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, counsel.
Sorry about that. She calls every day.
Oh, thank you.
Those Mansfield right here. Shit about let me see how fast. Judgment. Boom. Yep. It can be mailed today. Yes. That's how it used to be. It is. Touching things system extra time. Yeah, it is a long time.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Mr. Lame, are you going to need legal counsel?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't understand that.
Yes, did you want to speak to an attorney today? Or,
I don't know. I don't have any attorney.
okay. Your Honor, I'm going to put him in a breakout room, okay?
Hello? Hello?
It looks like the court is maybe.
The court is, yeah. Thank you. Ms. Mitchell, I think we're waiting on Attorney Coleman.
I'm here.
Ms. Washington,
Yes,
we ready to go on this case?
excuse me?
Are we ready to proceed on your
On the Mitchell
matter?
case? No, not yet. We are waiting on Attorney Coleman.
Hold it.
Let's see. Get him back in here.
Your Honor's Attorney Coleman, sorry to hold up your docket. I'm ready on my matters.
All right. We have Alexis Warren and Angelia Mitchell. Let's get Ms. Mitchell taken care of.
Yes, that's Attorney Washington's matter.
Yeah. All right, calling case number 223956667 LT, Harold Stevens versus Angelia Mitchell and all occupants. May I have appearances?
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P 56548 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Good morning, Attorney Heather Washington, P81608 on behalf of Ms. Mitchell, who's present. Ms. Mitchell, state your name for the record.
Angelia Mitchell.
Your Honor, the parties have entered into a CD. Ms. Washington, did you receive a copy of the CD?
I did. I'm looking at it right now.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Looks good?
Yep.
Your Honor, at this time, the parties are agreeing that defendant will pay $7,357 on or before April 24th, 23, or vacate the premises. The case is hereby dismissed against Angela Mitchell. The plaintiff has abated $1,000 in back rent. B and 7 are both checked. Attorney Washington, do you want me to sign off on this for you, or do you want to sign and send to me?
No, you have my permission to sign. And Ms. Mitchell, did you hear those figures?
Yes, I heard it.
Okay.
And is that an accurate summary of what parties?
Yep, just to break it down, it is the original rent was $8,200, so there's an abatement of $1,000, which brings us to $7,200, and then there's court costs of $157, which brings the total to $7,357.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Washington.
Attorney Washington, as always, it's a pleasure. You and your staff and your client have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right.
You as well.
Thank you for your patience, counsel. And
no problem.
Good luck, Ms. Mitchell.
Thank you kindly, sir.
Fortunately, I'm in all 6 courtrooms.
Oh, wow.
Your Honor, I had that last matter, Alexis Warren.
Calling case number 223956664. This is Eugene Ellis versus Alexis Warren and occupants at 18510 Huntington in the city of Detroit.
Your Honor, again, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P 56548 on behalf of the plaintiff. This matter before this honorable court as a non-payment of rent, subsequent hearing. The amount owing at this time is $3,505. Court cost of $157. Total amount is $3,662. Address in question is 18510 Huntington, City of Detroit, State of Michigan, within this court's jurisdiction.
All right.
Your Honor, she is in a breakout room waiting to speak to an attorney.
Really?
Your Honor, I'll be back shortly. I go to my other courtrooms. If I'm needed, someone can call me. I'll come right back in.
I'm gonna just invite Fred Coleman in the breakout room. All right. We can't do that. I know.
I'll be right back, Judge.
All right.
Mr. Phillips is in another courtroom. I'll see if he can come.
All right. Okay. Let's see. Hello, counsel.
Hello, I am just wanted to ask if there is a plaintiff's counsel here on 5743, the Jeffersonian.
Yeah, I think Attorney Harker is doing that case. I think Attorney Harker.
Mr. Horka, are you in the room? I know he's been back and forth to other courtrooms.
Absolutely.
There he is. Could we just talk in a breakout room for a minute?
Yes.
Perfect, thank you.
You want me to do it or? I'll leave it to you all. Room 7. Oh, there you go. Take care. Hands off.
Your Honor, can you place Rachel Matthews in that same room?
Absolutely. 13. Rachel Matthews, you're going to 13. Right. Oh, it's warm. Oh, yeah, and heavy. It's heavy too. Thank you.
Well, Curtis, while we have a moment. Oh, no, never mind. We're live. That's okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that is true. We are live.
I'll send a chat.
We do have viewers.
Yep.
This is Attorney Kevin Callahan. I was waiting for a recall and a default, I believe.
I believe he called that already. Is this regarding Alexia Goldman?
No, it is pertaining to case ending in 777, Belmere versus the estate of Betty Matthews.
Oh, okay, yeah, right.
11 o'clock.
Sweet. Yep, he'll be right back on this one.
Thanks.
Good one. Judge, we have Callahan is here on 777. Case 777. Let's call it. Calling case number 2239577. This is Belmere Senior Apartments versus Estate of Betty Matthews. And occupants is 14580 Greenfield, apartment 102.
Kevin Callahan for plaintiff, P78273. This is a termination of tenancy where the named occupant, Betty Matthews, has passed away. Or actually, it's non-payment of rent, rather, and the named occupant has passed away. We are seeking a default judgment to enter at this time.
All right. So is that the plaintiff's office that just put estate of Betty Matthews, or is this actually?
There is no estate opened up currently. So when we learned of the passing, we just put it as the estate, but no estate has been opened up currently.
Okay, all right. So you're requesting a default judgment, counsel?
We are.
Right. And what is the amount?
$7,943.46, which does include court costs.
Right. That must be paid by. Let's do it April 10th.
April 10th. Fantastic.
2023. I'm going to put a dismissal to name defendants.
All right, that's fine, Judge.
Figured you wouldn't have any objections to that.
No.
All right. Did I cover everything? Anything else?
That's it for me for today. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Have a great day. Okay. Attorney Coleman, one more. Yep, Judge. Did he come back? He did not. I think he's still on the break. Oh. Mr. and
Your Honor, if Mr. Horka is ready, we are ready to get this one taken care of.
calling case number 22395743 LT, the Jeffersonian versus Masuala Lane. Did I pronounce it right?
Masiula Lame, Your Honor.
Oh, Lame. Okay.
Good afternoon. No, good morning. Joe Horka, P75969, be appointed.
And Suzanne Stevich Luan, P48702, on behalf of the defendant, whose name I'm not going to try to pronounce because I will butcher it. And Mr. LeMay is in here in the courtroom with us.
Thank you.
Would you state your name for the record, please?
I'm sorry, I couldn't understand.
Will you just say your name, please?
Yes, it's Masiula Lame.
Thank you. Thank you. And have parties worked out some type of resolution?
And it's my understanding there's some additional funding that Mr. LeMay is eligible for, just needs time for disbursement to take place. The parties were hoping the court could adjourn this about 30 days or so.
Court finds good cause to adjourn this matter 30 days in order for Mr. LeMay to get some funding. How about April 27th?
Sounds good.
Look forward to that day. I'll see you all on April 27th, 2023 at 9:01 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. You have a great day, Mr. LeMay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Horton. I'll see you sure. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. LeMay, you are free to go. We'll see you in April, and you have my contact information if we need to talk before.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Attorney Frederick Coleman.
Hey, Judge, I'm just waiting to see if someone's talked to this person. If not, I'm gonna leave and come back again.
Me too.
Well,
It's a 10 o'clock case. It's about to be 12 o'clock.
Well, where's Ms. Warren at? Is she still here?
I think so. Let's go. Let's call it. It's Rachel Matthews doing it still.
Is she in the breakout room by herself or is she with somebody?
She is in a breakout room. Attorney Coleman, Mr. Phillips said if you could get an adjournment, he would talk to her. He's stuck in another courtroom right now. Or if you wanted to wait for Attorney Lawan to talk to her, whichever.
I can't adjourn this case again. It's been going on since December. My client's at my throat. So I
Okay,
can't.
then I'll get Attorney Lawan.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Okay. Ms. Matthews,
Yes, sir.
do you have a case here?
I do. I was just in the breakout room. It's for LeMay.
Oh, okay. Okay. You're with the building.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we just adjourned this for 30 days. I saw you was in the breakout room, so you're free to leave, but
Okay.
I'm not kicking you out of here, but I can pick you other places for you to be other than.
Much appreciated. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Bye-bye.
don't know if I'm muted or I don't know. Hello? Everything going wrong.
Everything's not going wrong.
Oh my God.
I've been waiting 40 minutes to complete this case.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault. It's not anybody's fault. We're fine. I just wanted to let you know everybody's sharing that same little frustration, you know? But we're here. I'm here. When we're ready, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Your Honor, we are having some technical difficulties with Miss Warren. Oh, it looks like she just got back in. I will pull her back into a breakout room.
Hey, good morning, Judge. How are you?
He may have stepped away for a minute, Robert.
I'm here.
Oh,
I'm here.
sorry.
Green. How you doing? How you doing, Mr. Santiago? What? Did you leave? He left. Oh.
Your Honor, I believe he was going to ask you for a breakout room, but I invited him, so I'm sure he didn't mean to say hello and then disappear.
Okay, all right. No problem.
Judge, I apologize. I'm not appropriately attired for court. I was just called in at
Yes,
the
you,
last
yes,
second.
you are, Mr. Santiago. We talk. Yes, yes, that's what we're talking about. That's what we need.
Is Mr. Coleman still in here or not?
He said he'll be back. So he may be up by cell phone, but he had to go to another courtroom, and we just been kind of.
Okay, then can I have just a quick chance to speak with him to see if we can do something to resolve this?
Absolutely, because he does not want an adjournment. He'd rather get it done today. So.
Okay, well, I will try and see what we can do, hopefully. Thanks, Judge. I'll just sit quietly then. Thank you. Good to see you too.
Good to see you too.
Thank you, Judge. I called in the reserves.
That's fair. No problem.
still learning.
No, that's fair. How's it going?
No, I'm really enjoying it. It's different. I did a lot of personal injury work before, both plaintiffs and defense. So a lot of circuit court. This is a much faster paced court. So it's learning to think on my feet.
Yes, it's high volume. Not too many scheduling orders coming out of this court. Just not much discovery either.
Yes.
Okay. It's a rhythm. Everything has a rhythm. I think we're starting to catch the rhythm, so it'll be all
And I'm
right.
right there with you. I'm trying not to be the last one on your docket every day, but today I was the only legal services attorney in the courtroom. So
You can have a short docket and it takes just as long as a long docket. It's, it's all right. I'm here. We're here. We just need to get Madam Court Reporter out of here at some point.
well, hopefully if Mr. Coleman comes in, we'll talk and see if there's even anything we can do for Ms. Warren.
Okay.
It's just a more complicated case with subsidized housing that I don't have a lot of experience with.
Understood. Yeah, this is a specialized topic.
Learning on the job though.
You know it now. You know it now. But every issues that pop up, there are issues that you don't think of or stuff I have to go back and look at. So don't be hard on yourself.
Oh, I'm not. I mean, it is what it is. This is only what, week 2?
Yeah.
I'm okay. I just, I'll learn.
Yeah, you're fine.
At least I know what I don't know.
See, that's the most important.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on mute so I don't end up on YouTube. Outside of
Hear us talking about us.
Fred.
Mark, this case is gonna probably be adjourned.
Jeff,
All right.
can we, did you need to talk, Fred, or not?
Calling case number 223956664. Eugene Edwards versus Alexis Warren.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P 56548 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Santiago, Michigan Legal Services, P57157 on behalf of Ms. Warren. And I would ask the court to excuse my failure. I was not expecting to be before the court this morning.
No, it's understood. Good afternoon. This case is, what's going on in this matter?
I have no idea. What are we doing, Mr. Santiago?
Can we go in a breakout room and just talk for a little bit?
That's fine, Judge.
All right.
And I do not have host powers at this time, Judge.
Okay.
I know I need one now.
Fred, can you meet me in breakout room 4?
I don't have any ability to go anywhere.
Okay, let me assign you someone to. Oh, actually, it will be in breakout room 1.
All right, I can see it now. Here I come.
Thank you.
Right.
Thanks, Judge.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't start until. Yeah. On this time. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Thomas.
Madam Court Reporter, do you need to take a break? Because it's,
No, I do. I mean, I see the time, but I think this is all we have, right?
oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll just, hang around, hang out.
Okay, all right.
Thanks.
Well. All right, I saw some people reappear. Turn to this.
So messed up. I swear, but it is what it is.
All right.
Oh, God.
Mr. Coleman had to jump back in with Judge Kennedy, but he said he'd be back in just a few minutes.
Oh, okay.
And Judge, I think we do have a conditional dismissal that we will put the terms on the record when Mr. Coleman gets back.
Okay, all right, thank you. Yeah.
Make sure I muted.
Hey, Fred, we can do that CD. Is it going to be the 24th, that Monday?
Yes.
And I wasn't aware of, I know you said it was about 3,600. Can you provide the specific amount to the court?
366.
It's $3,505. There are court costs of $157. The total amount is $3,662. We would do a CD with 4B and 7 check. Defendant would have until April 24th, 23 to pay or vacate. I would just need Mrs. Dawson's authorization to fill in her name on the order that's being submitted to the court.
She already gave me permission, so, and I will file an appearance.
Okay, so I have your authorization to sign off and CC you on submittal?
Based on those terms, yes.
Okay.
All right, question. I don't have a conditional dismissal in front of me. What is box 7?
Box 7 is that partial payments won't stop anything, Your Honor.
Okay, so it's the same as on a judgment.
Yes,
It's like box 6 on a judgment.
I believe so, Judge.
Okay, all right. All right, the court will enter this conditional dismissal gladly. And thank you all for working this out.
Understood, Judge.
I'll see you all later and go green.
Go white.
Oh, go white. Yep, 6:30 tonight.
6:30 tonight. All right, Mr.
You know what's
Santiago, that is appropriate attire, by the way.
You know what's amazing? What is amazing is that Tom Izzo will have a team that is talented as all you know what and get knocked out in the first or second round. He will take a suspect team to the Sweet 16.
With a team full of people we've never heard of.
No, they're suspect, but he got him in the Sweet 16.
But that's why he recruits those players. They're junkyard dogs. They're scrappers.
He recruits, and you look at it.
I'm sorry. Am I supposed to log off?
Oh,
yes. I'm sorry, Miss Warren. Yes.
Okay. All right.
And I will follow up with you, Miss Warren. Okay.
Okay. Oh, can I say something to that attorney?
Yes. Everyone have Fred. Also, is it possible? Can you ask your client to call Miss Warren? Supposedly she's been trying to call him for a while.
I will.
I mean, if he don't want to talk, that's fine. I just want to know, was he all right?
He's okay.
Okay.
I will tell him to reach out to you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Miss Warren. Thank you.
All right.
All right.
All right. Well,
I just have to put in there as a Hoosier, I was shocked that y'all were the only remaining Big Ten team. I thought for sure we had a chance at the Sweet 16 this year.
Yeah, I had you down on my bracket. I think Obama had you down. You know, so.
All right. But I'll be rooting for the green this weekend.
Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.
Robert, we'll get that over to you shortly, okay?
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Curtis, I see you peeking out of the bottom of the corner. Judges, there, man. Take care.